I used to party all night and sleeping late. I know my life was really pretty great. I could do anything, it was amazing. Then I had a beautiful baby girl. Daisy is the greatest gift in the world. But I went from lots of sleep to not a single wink. I put her down, but she gets up. Still hungry, can't get enough. I hear her voice, I hear her sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. I put her down, but she gets up. Once more, booby, can't get enough. I hear her voice, I hear that sound.